shelf life expiration date check. Okay, this is mainly useful for the pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturers. Okay, and also food industries. Okay, mainly these three industries. Okay, the materials. Okay, will have some expiration date, right? To check the expiration date for any of the material, first we need to activate it. Okay, that's the first step. So in the background, means in the customizing setting, we have to activate it. Okay, for each plant, which plant, maybe some plants, okay, which are not manufacturing any expiring related material, right? In such plant, this activation is not required, right? So which plants which need to have a check for the expiration, we need to activate it. After activation, in the movement type also, okay, we need to select, okay, whether it has to check for which movement type it has to check. Okay, and no, it's no need to check for all the movement types, right? It need, maybe need to check during goods receipt, during goods issue, right? Only these two, or maybe when they are sending it to block stock, okay, or when they are sending it to quality inspection. Okay, only those kind of movement types are allowed, okay, to check the shelf life. Okay, so plant and as well as movement type, okay, we can, in the plant level we activate it, movement type level we can system to check, okay, whether expiration date check is to be active or not for the movement type. Okay, that we can do it. Then when it comes to the master data, the material master, we can enter the shelf life. Okay, so what is the shelf life for this material? Okay, consider milk, the shelf life is like 1 or 2 days, right? So that is the shelf life of a milk. Okay, even there are other kind of milks which are available. Okay, they will be there for 15 days, 30 days. Okay, so that we can maintain in that particular master data. Okay, if this is a milk, okay, we can maintain what is the shelf life for that. Okay, so same data, when I create a purchase order for this material, it is copied into the purchase order. Okay, because vendor should know, right, what is the shelf life for this. And whenever we receiving the GR, okay, system also checks the purchase order. Okay, what is the shelf life for this? Accordingly, this system will allow or not. Okay, for that material it will check. Okay, that is the shelf life expiration date check. Okay,
Yeah, let us see the configuration path wherein we can see the shelf life expiration date configuration. Okay, so I'm into SPRO. Okay, I will go into the path from the beginning. So matrix management. Here we have inventory management and physical inventory. So it is there in goods receipt node. So go here into goods receipt. So here we can see set expiration date check. So here at plant level and moment type level, we can configure. So plant level, which plant you want to activate it, you have to select it. Okay, so it will be activated. So our plant is 1000, it is activated. Go back and moment type. So generally as a default for 102 moment type, as per standard SAP, it is activated because during goods receipt only we need to check the shelf life which is receiving from the vendor side. Okay, the shelf life check. So if you need it for other document moment types, we can also set it. Okay, during goods issue to cost center or goods issue production or goods issue to customer. Okay, like that we can set it based on different moment types here. Okay, so these two are the configuration settings for shelf life date expression check. Okay, so let us create on PO and see how this works, and I will also show in the material master. So let me open material master. Okay, before creating PO. So this is the material I've selected. Okay, going to select weaves. So this will be there in the plant general data. So general plant data, go here. So our plant is 1000. So you can see remaining shelf life is entered. Okay, this is 3 period. Okay, period is shows W means it's week. Okay, the 3 week is the minimum remaining shelf life. And we have also this total shelf life that is also entered, that is 22 weeks. So in case total shelf life is activated or we entered any value during GR, Generally, system will ask for the date of manufacture so that it calculates date of manufacture from the date of manufacture to the total shelf life. That will become the shelf life of that material. Okay. In case this is not entered, it calculates from the date of GR to the remaining minimum remaining shelf life. That will be the shelf life for that specific material. Okay, at the time of GR. Okay, let us go to PO creation. Okay, supplier material. Okay, so yeah, I want to enter the org data. So quantity, price, plant. So enter all the data. So currency I'm entering as euro. So all the things are fine. Click on save. So now PO is created. Okay, if I display the PO, I'll show you. So how the data is captured from Metal Master to the PO. You can see 3 weeks. Okay, whatever is in the Metal Master, same has been copied here. Okay, this is in the delivery tab. Okay, now let us do the GR for this PO. Copy this, go back. So this is our PO. So enter all the data. So all the data is copied from the purchase order. Only we need to enter the storage location. Okay, and so the checkbox. So these are enough for normal GR. Now this is a shelf life material. We need to go to batch tab. Okay, we need to enter the shelf life expiration date. Okay, so it is within 3 weeks. Okay, then only the system will allow. So and as I told, right, remaining share total shelf life is entered means we need to enter the date of manufacture. Okay, that is mandatory. Okay, I will show you if I'm not entering. Okay, if I click on check, so you can see the enter date of production. Okay, so as it's a batch activated material, it also creating batch number automatically, okay, by the system. So we need to enter the date of manufacturing. So this will be on 8th. So check. So all the things are fine. It's a warning message. Now post it. So this is how the shelf life expression works. Okay, let us see. Display just order. Okay. So this is how you can see date of manufacture and shelf life. Okay, both are there. Okay, thank you.